Hello there, welcome to DaveTech channel, and in this video I'll show you how to install a fishing TV application to your Hisense smart TV. This is very easy. Make sure you like, subscribe and share if you find the video helpful. So what you do on your Hisense smart TV to install this particular application is simple. First, go over to your Hisense smart TV app store, which should look like this. It should load with Vida. Once you go over here, just go over straight away to the search box and type in a name application, which in this case is fishing TV. So I'm just going to go over here and type in fishing. Okay, so it's fishing as in fishing, Fishing again, NG. So this is the application. Just come over here and click search, and it's going to bring you straight away to your application. Here's it over here. So just click on it once and it will bring you to the load page or the installation page. So just go here. Here's the installation page. Click on it and you're going to get the application installed in less than a second. So you choose where to place it, and then you can go ahead and launch, and then you can start navigating the application without any restriction. So if you find the video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe and share for more important videos like this.